How to give access to Facebook page. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open a Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply switch to the page account. Now wait for some time. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now tap on the gear icon at the top right corner again. Now scroll down. Now tap on page setup under audience and visibility. Now simply tap on page access. Now at the top right corner, tap on add new. Now tap on next. Now tap on the search bar. Now type the person name. Now tap on the person. Now tap on give access. Now enter your Facebook password and tap on confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.